To recover a Rocket Money bank connection, start by logging into your Rocket Money account and navigate to the Account Settings or Bank Connections section. Here you will see a list of all your connected banks and accounts. Identify the specific bank connection you want to recover and click on it to view its details. If your bank connection is disconnected, you will see an option to reconnect or recover the connection. Click on this option to initiate the recovery process. You will then be prompted to enter your bank login credentials to verify your identity and authorize Rocket Money to access your account information. Enter your bank username and password correctly, and then confirm that you want to reconnect your account. Rocket Money will then attempt to establish a secure connection with your bank. This process may take a few seconds to complete, and you will see a progress indicator on the screen. Once the connection is re-established, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your bank connection has been successfully recovered. You can then review your account information and transaction history to ensure that everything is up to date and accurate. It is essential to keep your bank login credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, you can contact Rocket Money support for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and help resolve any problems you may be experiencing. To avoid disconnections in the future, ensure that your bank account information is up to date and your login credentials are correct. You should also check your account settings regularly to ensure that your bank connection is active and functioning correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly recover your Rocket Money bank connection and continue to manage your finances effectively.